Hi, I'm at Brothers Tech Center today to show you how to replace your door handle on your square body. This is a customer request, so if you have any requests, make sure you leave them in the comments down below. And if you like what you see, make sure that you hit our little like button too. Now, you're going to basically just need some real standard stuff, a long screwdriver, and you can see this has got a little bit of a hook to it right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to take this off down inside the door, then I'll show you on the table too so you can get a really good view. But what we're going to do is we're going to grab this guy, and there's a little clip down here, and that's really the kicker to getting this off, is getting that guy off of there. So you have to get your little 90-degree tool here, and you need to get behind that clip and pull it forward, or back as the case may be, and then get your screwdriver on top, and then you'll need to push that clip down. Now that clip is being held in there with a little tab that's going into a hole, and that's why you have to get this to pull it back on. Once that clip is down, now I can take that rod and move it out of the way, as you can see right here. So let's see what that looks like on the tabletop. Alright, so let me show you what happened inside the door. This is the little clip right here that you're working with. And it's holding in this little rod right here that is connected to your door handle at the top. So what we're going to be doing is we're just going to be grabbing this guy and pulling it back a little bit and then sliding it down. Now this is sliding down pretty easy for me here because there's no dirt and grease on there, so it's going to be harder when you're doing it in the door. But once you get it down, then you're going to be able to take this rod and slide it out. You do want to be careful though that you don't let this guy drop and fall down inside the door, because you're going to have to find it, and it's very difficult to put this clip back on if the latch is still in the door. So if this guy falls out, you'll more than likely have to have really small fingers, or you're going to have to pull it back out to get back in. Now, just while I'm here, I'm going to show you how it goes back together too. You got to make sure that your clip is sliding on here from the bottom. It'll click into this little hole right here, and then this right here will just simply go right in the hole and pop right in. Alright, so we took all that time just to get our clip off. Now we can actually get our handle off. It's only held in by two little bolts, and if you roll your window all the way up or all the way down, you should be able to get to this inside one. Might be a little bit tight, but you should be able to get to it without taking the window out or anything like that. So let's get this guy out. Making sure I don't drop my bolt. We got another guy right here. And then when you're going to pull the handle out, what you're going to want to do is push in the button. And the reason you're pushing in the button is that there's a little edge right here. And when you push that button in, that edge will dish down, and you'll be able to pull the handle out, something along the lines of this. So you can see that's got even a bigger hook. So now we got this old guy out, and putting it back in is just going to be the same thing. We're just going to slide this guy right back in. We'll go ahead and push the button in so we can get it in all the way. Then we'll go ahead and put our screws back in. I'll make sure that my clip is in the right spot and pop that back in there, and then we'll be all ready. And that's how you do your door handle on your square body. So next week, make sure you check us out, because I know you subscribed. We'll see you all then.